Welcome to Legacy IAS Academy. Today I am going to discuss previous year questions on time, speed and distance. In the last video I have covered or I explained the basics of time, speed and distance. Okay, so I will suggest you can pause the video. First you yourself has to solve the questions and then you have to see how I am solving it. Okay, like first question, a person travel from X to Y at a speed of 40 km per hour and return by increasing his speed 50%. What is his average speed of both the trips? Okay, here a person is moving from X to Y. A person is moving from X to Y. He is going with a speed of 40 km per hour. While returning, he has increased his speed 50%. In percentage chapter, I have explained like he is going with 40 km per hour and his speed is increased by 50%. So while returning, his speed will be 60 km per hour. Hope you are able to understand this also. So while returning, his speed is 60 km per hour. I gave one concept in the last video. I explained person is going with a speed and coming back with another speed. Then average speed will be 2x y upon x plus y. So here the person is going with a speed of 40 and coming back with a speed of 60. 40 plus 60, then it will be 40 into 60 upon 100. Then answers will be 48 km per hour. Okay, so hope you are able to understand it. We can solve this question with basics also. You can assume while going distance is d and so average speed is total distance upon total time. In that way also you can solve this particular question. The total distance will be 2d, total time will be d upon 40 plus d upon 60. If you solve this particular equation you will get an answer. Now come to one another question. A worker reaches his factory 3 minutes late if his speed from his house to factory is 5 km per hour. If he walks at a speed of 6 km per hour, then he reaches the factory 7 minutes early. In the last video, I explained how to solve such type of questions. Here again, we can assume that so distance of a factory from his house, we can assume that the distance is x kilometer. Okay, a person is moving by a speed of 5 km per hour, then how much time the person will take? Distance upon speed. He was late by 3 minutes. Okay, so we can subtract 3 minutes. Again, he is going with a speed of 6 km per hour and he reached factory 7 minutes early. We can add 7 minutes. So hope you are able to understand how I made this particular equation. I explained how we have to make this equation. So in this particular equation, time is constant. Time is constant and here again like x upon y, x upon 5 minus x upon 6 equal to 7 upon 60 plus 3 upon 60. We can say that LCM will be 30. 6x minus 5x equal to 60. It become 10. So x upon 30 equal to 10 upon 60, 32, 5. So answers will be 5 km. Hope you are able to understand this particular question. Here again, like second way to solve this questions, we can consider in this particular equation, what is constant? We can say that distance is constant. So all the concept I have explained earlier, you can watch that particular video also. Now come to one more question. A conveyor belt deliver baggage at a rate of 3 tons in 5 minutes. A second conveyor belt delivers baggage at a rate of 1 ton in 2 minutes. How much time will it take to get 33 ton of baggage delivered using both the conveyor belt together? This is very simple questions, or I will suggest pause the video. First, you yourself has to solve this particular question, then you have to see the solution. Okay. So first conveyor belt will deliver in 1 minute how much ton? In 5 minutes 3 ton, in 1 minute 3 upon 5 ton. Second conveyor belt in 1 minute, in 2 minutes 1 ton, and in 1 minute 1 by 2 ton. Okay. First conveyor belt can deliver in 1 minute 3 by 5 ton of baggage. Second conveyor belt can deliver in 1 minute 1 by 2 ton of baggage. Okay. Both in 1 minute, if both are working together, how much baggage they are able to deliver? 3 upon 5 plus 1 by 2, 10, it becomes 6, it becomes 5, 11 by 10. 11 by 10 ton, 11 by 10 ton, both the conveyor belt can deliver in 1 minute. If both the belt are working together, how much time they will take to deliver 33 ton? So it simple means 11 by 10 ton they are able to deliver in 1 minute. Okay, 1 ton of baggage they will take 1 upon 10, 1 upon 11 upon 10 minute, it will become 10 upon 11 minute. Okay, so how much time they will take to deliver 33 ton? It will be 10 upon 11 into 33 minute, it become 30 minutes. So hope you are able to understand this particular questions. This is not much difficult. If you know the basics of the math, you are able to solve it easily. Now come to one more questions. Two ladies simultaneously leave a city A and B connected by a straight road and travel toward each other. Okay, so distance between the city of A and B is 24 kilometer. So two ladies, lady 1 and lady 2, okay, they are moving toward each other. I have discussed whenever two bodies are moving toward each other, then relative speed we have to add. First lady travel 2 kilometer per hour faster than the second lady. First lady, okay, consider second lady is moving at a speed of x kilometer per hour. Definitely second lady will move x plus 2 kilometer per hour. Okay, so how much time first lady will take to reach from A to B? It will take time distance upon speed. How much time second lady will take to reach from B to A? That will be 24 upon x. Clear? So first lady is taking 1 hour before the second lady. So first lady is taking 1 hour less. So this is the 1 hour less. So we can subtract 1 hour from here. So both the equations will be equal. So here 24 upon x plus 2 equal to 24 upon x minus 1. So here you can solve this quadratic equation and you will get the answer. Second way to solve this particular question very easily. Here we have a distance 24. This distance must be divisible by the giving speed. So here speed of lady, if speed of both the ladies can be 5 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 7 kilometer, 5 kilometer, 8 kilometer, 6 kilometer, 16 kilometer, 14 kilometer. Okay, whatever speed has been giving, this speed must be divide the giving distance. Okay, so 24 is not divisible by 5, 24 is not divisible by 7, 24 is not divisible by 14. So answers must be C. So without solving this particular questions or without solving this particular equation, we can get these answers also. Like lady A, if speed is 8, so lady A will take 3 hours. lady, if speed is 6, lady B will take 4 hours. Difference is 1 hour. In this way also we can solve this particular questions. Now come to one more question. You can see here very long solution. In this way you should not solve it. Whenever the questions comes like that, you can use the options, apply the options, and then you are going to get the answers. Come to one more question. A bus is moving at a speed of 30 km per hour ahead of a car with a speed. A bus is moving at a speed of 30 km per hour ahead of a car with speed 50 km per hour. How many kilometers apart are they if it takes 50 minutes for the car to catch up the bus? Simple. Here bus which is moving at a speed of 30 km per hour. One more car is there which is chasing to us or which is behind the bus. The car is moving 50 km per hour. I have discussed clearly whenever two bodies which are moving in same directions, then their relative speed is 50 minus 20, that become 30 km per hour. In this 30 km per hour, car is able to catch the bus, and car has taken, how much time car has taken? 15 minutes to catch the bus. Okay, so here we can say that time equal to distance upon speed. Time is 15 minutes and distance we have to calculate, and speed is 30. So if you are able to solve this particular equation, then you are going to get an answer. So answers will be 15 kilometer. Hope you are able to understand it. Okay, like basic concept I already discussed. If you are not able to understand the basic concept, you can watch the earlier video. Now come to one more question. A car travel the first 1/3 at a distance 10 km per hour, next 1/3 20 km per hour, and the last 1/3 60 km per hour, then what is the average speed? It will be total distance and total time. So try to solve this particular equation, you will get an answer. So where, like I am assuming total distance is d, and d is covered in 3 parts. One part with a speed of 10 km per hour, second part with a speed of 20 km per hour, and third part with a speed of 60 km per hour. In first part, how much time the car will take? Car will take d upon 10. In second, d upon 30, d upon 20, and the final d upon 60. If you are able to solve this particular equation, you are going to get an answer. Now come to one more question. Total time taken by a person is going to a place by walking and returning on a cycle is 5 hours 45 minutes. Like a person is going with walk and coming with cycle, and how much time that person is taking? It is taking 5 hours plus 45 minute. Equation 1, like person is going from place A to place B by walk and coming back to A by cycle. So how much time the person has taken? 5 hours plus 45 minutes. He would have gained 2 hours by cycling both the ways. If person is going with cycle and coming back with the cycle itself, it is going to take how much time? It is going to take, he is going to gain 2 hours. It means he will take 3 hours 45 minutes. That is the second equation. Okay, so here what we have to get? We should get how much time he will take when the person is going with walk and coming back with the walk. So we can multiply 2, it become 10 hour plus 90 minute. Okay, now this is 2c. So we have equation 1 minus equation 2. So answers will be 2 walk equal to 10 hours minus 3 hours, it become 7 hours, plus 90 minutes minus 45 minutes, it become 45 minutes. So hope you are able to understand. So answers will be 7 hours 45 minutes. Clear? Now come to the one more questions. Two car X and Y started from a two place A and B respectively, which are 700 kilometer apart. Okay. Both the car is moving same direction. Distance is 700 kilometer. Now both the car run an average speed of 60 kilometer per hour. Okay. The speed of both the car is equal. That is 60 kilometer per hour, car A and car B. Both of them have started at 9 a.m. Okay. Car X stop at 10 a.m. and again start 11 a.m. At 10 a.m. from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. how much distance car A will cover? It will cover 60 kilometer. Okay. Then the car X has stopped and again it will start at 11 a.m. But car Y is continuously running. Okay, in 2 hours, how much distance car B will cover? It will cover 120 kilometer. So car Y will be here. That is again 11 a.m. Okay, so car A has covered how much distance? 60 kilometer. Car B has covered 120 kilometer. So total distance is covered. That is 180 kilometer. 180 kilometer distance has been covered. How much remaining distance is there? That is 5. So 520 kilometer has been left, which again will cover for by car A and car B. Okay. Both the car is moving in opposite direction. Then relative speed will be 60 plus 60. It become 120 kilometer per hour. Distance is 520. How much time they will take? They will take 520 upon 520 upon 120. It become like 4 13 4 12 4 3 is 12. Okay, it means time taken by both the car, again they are meeting, they will take 13 upon 3 r, or we can say that 4 r plus 1 by 3 r. 1 by 3 r equal to 20 minutes. So after 11 a.m. they will take 4 hours 20 minutes to meet. So it means they are going to take 11 plus 4 20. It become 3 hours 20 minutes or 3:20 p.m. Hope you are able to understand these questions. Now come to one more question. Aryan run at a speed of 40 meter per minute. Rahul follow him after an interval of 5 minutes and run at a speed of 50 meter per minute. Rahul's dog run at a speed of 60 meter per minute and start along with Rahul. The dog reaches Aryan and then come back to Rahul and continue to do so till Rahul reaches Aryan. What is the total distance covered by the dog? That is very very beautiful questions, and I will suggest you can pause the video first, solve this particular question and then see the solution. Okay, Aryan run at a speed of 40 meter per minute. Rahul follow him after an interval of 5 minutes. So Aryan will cover how much distance? Aryan will cover in 5 minutes around 200 meter. So Aryan is here, Rahul is here, both are moving in same direction. The speed of Aryan is 40 meter per minute. Speed of Rahul is 50 meter per minute. Okay, so both Rahul and Aryan, they are moving in same direction. So their relative speed will be 50 minus 40. That become 10 meter per minute. In this speed, Rahul is going to cover 200 meter. So how much time Rahul will take to catch Aryan? The time taken by Rahul to catch Aryan will be 200 meter upon 10 meter per minute. It will take 20 minutes. In 20 minutes, Rahul is going to catch to the Aryan. Okay, Rahul dog will run continuously 20 minutes with a speed of 60 meter per minute. So how much time, how much distance Rahul dog will cover or will walk? The dog will walk distance, that will be speed into time. It become 1200. Hope you are able to understand. That is a very good concept, because this dog will continue walk till Rahul is going to catch to the Aryan. Now see one more questions. Amit start from a point A and walk to another point B and then return from point B to A by car. Okay, walk plus car is going to take 6 hour 45 minutes. We just solve such type of questions. Okay, again, while if he had drive both the ways in his car, he would have taken 2 hour less. That will be 4 hour 45 minutes. Okay, hope you are able to solve this question easily, because just now I have solved same type of question. So now you can see the concept is repeated in the UPSC. Even sometimes same questions also repeated in the UPSC. Okay, so I have solved the question which UPSC has asked from last 10 to 15 years. In this way, you are able to understand the questions are not much difficult. Only thing is you have to understand the concept very well. If you understand the concept, you have to apply the concept. Like in the questions, only numbers is going to change, concept is not going to change. If you know the concept, how to solve that particular question, if you know it, you are able to solve any type of the question based on the similar concept. Okay, again, thank you for watching this particular video. In the next video, I will try to cover the questions over this train questions, and every year at least you will get one question on the train. Thank you again for watching this particular video.